Hi, welcome back. Another important session. This is one of the custom solution. I'm going to give suggestion, but we cannot able to see live on the SAP system now. Generally, I have a first question for you. When um, if you followed my yesterday session, if you would like to update transaction level, either sales order header or item, delivery header or item, or else billing document header or item. So you can able to manually enter the text, or else you can able to automatically copy from one transaction data another transaction data. Yesterday I told you, right, you might end up with certain issues in your life for support. For example, you supposed to update 1,000 billing documents, or else 5,000 sales orders, or else 5,000 delivery documents. You got one as a single ticket, to update the text. And user might be forgotten, or else certain custom solution is not working to update the text or item text. How do you do that? Generally, you think that, with full confidence, if you're a beginner, then by using mass transaction, we can able to do that. Don't ask me what is mass. I have explained, I think 1.5 year. You can go and check my YouTube channel. Okay. So you cannot able to accommodate with mass transaction. What do you have to do it? Obviously, you have to go for custom program. Okay. For text IDs. So what is the route? What is the right path to pick this solution, move forward? Let's see today. Yesterday you have seen this, how to find objects and text IDs for your header and item by using these two tables. Little bit extension to the yesterday solution. Let's try to have a discussion of how you can able to give your technical ABAP team to rework and come back with mass updation of either header or item text in transactional level. Let's see this. First, we create one sample example, like how we have seen yesterday. Okay, let's come to the sales order. You take the same thing in a SD, ECC or S4 HANA, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's go to the header text. If you want, you can update here. So many available. Let's see the similar example. Yesterday, what we have done for what I would say billing. Okay, fine. Okay, let's put this one. Okay, now let's put the picking, undo the picking. This is what we're going to do now. And this is my test storage location. Okay, let's do the PZA. Okay, now let's go to the PF01 and let's do the billing. Okay, I'm just showing you how the function module is reading the text. That also you can learn what exactly the Bapi works, how the Bapi works. Let's go to the header. Let me put like I'm writing some text. I'm best in SAP SD / S4 HANA learning. Okay, this is the text. Let's assume that this is the text updated. And if you want, you can update this one also. Okay, this is SAP SD / S4 HANA journey. I'm not writing meaningful text, business concepts that we can discuss. The text determination I have already explained. Let's see this. Let's save this. Done. So I assume that whatever the header text and item text you entered, that it's blank. What is our real-time ticket? Like, you assume that, 500 or 600 documents got failed. Okay. Blank. Header text is blank or item text is blank. Certain text ID points out that your text to enter, right? Depends on the language, it is blank. How do you do that? Okay. Now let's take VF03. Okay. Let's take this document, copy, and now go to SC16N. Okay, assume that your customer care executive not given full information, but you spoke to them. They told that you're supposed to you know update this one. Suddenly, first time you got this, this one, right? You keep the star. Yesterday I have shown. Okay, this is the header table of the text. Don't miss till end. Okay, this video. So now you can able to see this one, right? The text name means you are getting this one. Object is now the question how you can able to give your developer to find certain solution, the custom G program to develop it. Okay, simple. Let's go here. C37, anyhow, you can give the fields and you can able to write, that is a different story. And by using Bapi, it is bit faster. You can see this function module read underscore text. Okay, this is one Bapi. This function module will help you out. Okay, how to check this one? When you see this, if you display here, this function module, you can able to see the different kind of, comments and code is available. Don't worry about all these things. Okay, so come back. Okay, if you standard, it will not allow you to change. You can copy and you can do it. That's a different story according to your requirements. Just go to this button, test. This is generally, we'll use in our real time, like certain data, if it is coming from other system, it's supposed to copy and create sales order in our system, or sales order data, if it is supposed to pick this Bapi and push to another application like that, a lot of hangama will be will be there in real time. Okay. So now let's come back. Let's come back here. So let me try to pick that previous one which I have opened. Okay, I think you have seen the screen, right? So this is the text name. Okay, let's copy this. This is VBBK and 0001. This is header. So since I entered a header text only, that's why it is appeared. Yesterday I have shown you header and item also. Okay, this is first I'm giving this one language, just I'm giving English in this context. Okay, name means just give this ID. Okay, object means VBBK. This is what you have seen, I think. Okay, this is what you have seen, right? And let's go to the previous screen. Okay, you can see this one. Either we have entered another text also, right? First I'm going to try here. You cannot able to enter here multiple values. So let's execute. So what you are getting? So the resulted line is one entry because of this header, and you have given this one because ID you have given this one. Let's come here. You can see I am best in SAP SD or S4 HANA Learning. The text is coming. What you have to do is, like, by using this Bapi, you tell that this is the ID and in this client. So this is the name, means this is your sales order. Okay, sales order or billing document or sales delivery document, that you have to pass it, and the respective table it's supposed to read. Okay, by using these tables and this data. Okay, these entries, now it is reading, right? What is our intention to do this? Giving this information, we're asking our technical team to develop a G report. What that report will do, it will go and automatically update the header text. Okay, if you give this information, that's sufficient. Okay, why standard, along with standard certain tables? Okay, you need not break your head before getting into the real time. That's what I'm telling. So once in a while we'll get this kind of solution supposed to give. Don't worry about that. If you're perfect in standard, that's very much good. We welcome you all to work here. Don't worry. Okay. Practice standard, standard, standard. I keep on telling you. Okay. This is the same thing. This is how you can able to talk to your fellow app and you can get the things done. Okay. So now this is my YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe to have more learning like this. Whatever I know, I'll try to update here. And if you wanted to get the real depth, if you wanted to really become a good consultant, okay, So currently I'm holding 5,000 plus students. If you look at here, I have extensive experience. So you can get this course 105 hours for SAP SD. And if you really wanted to touch your interviews at a best way, you can try real-time idoc training. It is very, very important. Here I explained purchase orders idoc, and orders SP, orders acknowledgement, and your decided delivery notification, and finally invoice 02. And whenever I find a time, whenever I know few things, I'm going to update in future the custom segments, how it's supposed to be created, and in what way your function, being a functional consultant, how you supposed to react and work for IDOC level when you are trying to interact with different kind of environments, systems, communication, how to work with a map, everything I'm going to explain. I have already explained all four scenarios practically with live. You can able to find the system and how to write a functional specification. This is very, very important. You can get into this, and apart from that, your pricing, if you wanted to give the depth, my favorite topic is pricing. That's why I have done this. Is one of my top course, 1,000 plus students. Along with that, I have done advanced in S4 HANA standard level. You can able to get this. See, if you do all these courses, as you will be ready for interview, no doubt. You're ready for work, and you will have the depth. Whatever I know I'm sharing, still a lot to go, and I will explain you in future. Okay, you can try all these courses. I'm just providing these links below this video. Okay, so don't forget these two tables, STXH and STXL, for item for your text module. And apart from that, this is how you can able to execute the Bapi. If I find any chance in future, I will show you how you have to pick the Bapi by using Bapi transaction code, probably tomorrow or else next week. And till that time, this is the information I'm giving you. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.